rest upon you. The people that will look for you and beg for you to come back in the name of Jesus. It's because I've decided to bring my thought to manifestation, because I've decided to show mercy, because I've decided to restore back that which they took from you. I speak to a woman here. That thing they took from you and they said you will, and they said you not going to see anything there. Receive it in the moment in the name of Jesus. The Israelites will leave their land and come to Egypt. But when God finally restored them back, he called the land a land flowing with what milk and honey. But before the restoration, even in Egypt, he gave them a city that was called Goshen. They said the city was different from every other city. He came to a time there were darkness in the land, but the city experienced with light. That's what restoration does. That's what healing does. That's when God decides to smile at you. People may be complaining about a particular sector, but you just see yourself rejoicing because the glory of the Lord is upon you. I declare, as a prophet of God, any good thing you put your heart on today, it will answer for you in the name of Jesus. He said, we are bringing you, said the Lord, and I will bring you again into the place. When the land is cursed, the land that people come from and become a fighter. But he said, I want to bring to pass the good talk that I have towards you. That's why I said on Friday, I said invite people because I will be what? Anointed. Whatever cause that is registered in that end, that is making the end not to attract people, this morning he answered to fire in the name of Jesus. The cause is fire this morning in the name of Jesus. He said, I will bring you back to the land, the former land that you were living here. He said, I will make you to possess the land and drive away the people that took the land from you. You see that at this moment. There are some people that run away from you that took your prayer. But because you are in this meeting today, they will come back and apologize and give it to you in the name of Jesus. The woman with an issue of blood said, he said, this is not my set. I was not created like this. But I know the Redeemer liveth. And the information just came to me that we will be in a social place today. God is always finding the place. God is not in everywhere, but in a place. He said, but I will go to that place. If I can touch the end of the camera, that's the faith I want you to have this morning. The faith of touching the end of the camera. The faith of God transformation. The faith of living here a new person. I decree upon your life today. Any good thing that took from you as a result of manipulation attack, receive it back in the name of Jesus. He said, I call you to carry your captive. From where I look, when somebody that fought you, drove you away, eventually call you back and say, come and take what belongs to you. And that's what will happen. There are 7 people here. The Lord said to tell you, because you are here, between Monday to Friday, the kind of thing that will happen to you, people around you will ask where is your God in the name of Jesus. If you believe you receive it in the name of Jesus. 7 people here. Favor is coming to your place. Those that rejected you before, they are coming with good thing for you. And any power that stopped it before, I want to try to stop it again. The judgment of God fall upon them in the name of Jesus. Look at your feet, because yes, the Lord has risen up us a prophet. God will not do anything without sending servants. God will not heal the land without sending servants. The book of Psalm will make me to understand He said it came to a time, and God was to make a new king. And David happened to be the person that was God's choices in saying the prophet and praying this morning. That prophet, that pastor that God has raised for you, that man, that woman that God has raised for you to favor you, as you go out today, that we enter your life in the name of Jesus. That enter of your life, that we enter your life in the name of Jesus. He said, because he said, the Lord has raised us a prophet of Babylon. Know that thou the Lord of the kingdoms that sitteth upon the throne. I've raised you a prophet to tell you which way to go. This morning, if I hear your loudest amen, they all answer to that in the name of Jesus. Because God has finally come to bring his thoughts to pass in your life. And what are these thoughts? To give you an end, a good end, an expectation that no man will be able to understand. Say, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. It has not entered, may have not conceived it. Let me put it down. He said, I reveal it to you. This morning I pray, stand on the feet. Every big dream that you have that is yet to manifest, this morning I bring that to manifestation in the name of Jesus. I bring that to manifestation in the name of Jesus. Somebody is going to pray this morning.